We often see eggs and chicken as just food, simple, everyday items in our plate. But behind every bite, there is a story we rarely stop to think about. A story not of nourishment, but of sufferings. A suffering that is silent, painful. In industrial farms, chickens are not treated as living beings with feelings. They are treated as production units. Hens that lay eggs are confined in a tiny cages. The cages are so small that they cannot even spread their wings. Imagine living your entire life without ever feeling the ground beneath your feet, without seeing sunlight, without the freedom to move. Their body aches, their feathers fall out from constant rubbing against metal wires, and their beaks are often cut to prevent them from pecking each other out of stress and frustration. The eggs we consume so casually comes from these hens who spend their entire life in confinement. They never experience motherhood, never build nest, never live naturally. Their worth is measured only by how many eggs they can produce. Once their productivity declines, they are discarded like broken machines. The story of chickens raised for meat is no less painful. These birds are bred to grow unnaturally fast. Within just a few weeks, their body becomes so heavy that their legs can barely support them. Many suffers from broken bones, heart problems, and extreme discomfort. They live in overcrowded shed, where thousands are packed together in suffocating conditions, breathing in toxic airs filled with ammonia from their own wastage. There is no space to move, no chance to live a normal life. They are deprived of everything that makes life meaningful. And then, when the time comes, they are transported in a cruel condition, crammed into trucks, often without food or water, ex- exposed to extreme weather. Many die before reaching the slaughterhouses. At the end of this journey, their lives are taken in a matter of moment, often without proper care or dignity. For us, it is just a meal. For them, it was their entire existence. The most heartbreaking part is not just the suffering, it is our indifference. We rarely question where our food comes from. We rarely think about the lives behind it. We rarely think about they have also feelings. Yet these animals feel pain, fear, and distress just just like we do. This is not about forcing guilt, but about creating awareness. When we understand that the reality, we are given a choice, the choice to be more compassionate, more mindful. Even a small changes like reducing consumption or choosing human resources can make a difference. Because in the end, humanity is not defined by how we treat those equal to us, but by how we treat those who are completely at our mercy. Please be compassionate